Okay, so now we will move to the cardiovascular system, and just gonna do a quick review of the anatomy and physiology. And I'm going to start with the location of the heart. As you know, the heart is about the size of your fist. Our heart will be about the size of your own fist. And as you see here, um, the heart is located in the what we call the thoracic, and it's not vertical, it's not horizontal, it's gonna bend, laying to the side, and it is in what we call the mediastinum. And as you see, it's also in between the right and the left lung, and we know that the left lung is smaller than the right lung because of the space that the heart is taking. And based on this location also, keep in mind that when both lungs inflated, this space, the mediastinum, gets closer, smaller, and that's a physiological change, nothing significant. But that's why the blood pressure during inspiration, also the pulse during inspiration, may be different than exhalation. So when the lungs are deflated, see, the heart will have more space. When the lungs deflate, the heart will be kind of squeezed a little bit. So there's a little bit of difference, usually 5 to 10 millimeter mercuries, between the blood pressure during inhalation and blood pressure during exhalation. As you see, about 2/3 of the heart is in the left side. That's why you always hear that the heart in the left side of the chest, and only about 1/3 the right side of the thoracic. Now, anatomically, the heart basically is located between the second intercostal space and the fifth intercostal space. And it's the opposite compared with the lungs. As you see, the base of the heart is actually on top, right here. That's the base, and that's the apex. That's why we call this area apical pulse. This is the apical pulse.